In this tutorial, I will show you that how can download COD Warzone on PC or laptop in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, you can open Google and search for Call of Duty. It will show you this official website of Call of Duty. You can open it and then you will see dashboard like this, where in the header you'll find here games. You can click on that and select here COD Warzone. Open it and scroll it down. Here you'll find this Play free now. It will show you this sum of options to download it. It will show you this sum of options: PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net or Steam. Click on this Battle.net. It will start downloading here. After downloading, you can open it and click on this run. You can select language and continue. It will take some time. You can uncheck this and click continue. It will start installation. After installing this, you can create account here, or you can also continue with your Google account. I'm connecting it with my Steam account. It will show you dashboard like this. You will be on this home. You have to open this all games and here you will get this Call of Duty, or you can also search here on right upper side. You can open it and simply play it from here. So that's how you can download Call of Duty Warzone on PC or laptop in just few easy steps.